Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be resetting the service reminder on this Smart 4.2. It will also work for some of the Smart 4.4s and similar sort of age. This is a 2016 model. Quite an easy reset on this. So first of all, you put your key into the ignition and switch it to the ignition position, second position. Now you can see this one is due in 2 days, but we've just serviced it. So get rid of all your warnings by pressing OK. Next service due in 2 days, press OK again, and it will bring you back to the speedo. Now using the up and down arrows, if you scroll through, scroll up again, you see next service due in 2 days. So hold down the OK button. There you can see it starts flashing. Keep holding the OK button. And there you see it's reset. Next service due in 12,500 miles. Hope this has helped you guys. Please do subscribe to the channel if you've had a result from this video. Thank you very much.